Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can send all your contacts the same email. So let's start. First, what you want to do is click here on contacts and choose the contacts not recently viewed but all contacts. So when you're here and you get all contacts, you want to send a list an email, right? When you're gonna click here, you want to click the subject, new offer, and now hi, whatever, insert merge and write your like name, first name. We have new offer for our product until Sunday. It will be 50% off. Hit me up if you are interested. Thank you. Now when you have it, what you want to do is just click send and you will send all the email. So as you can see, like, this is what I really like. When you click on review, you see what they're going to get, and it's like super cool. If I'm going to change this, right, to, let's write here full name. Look at this. See? But there is also sample behind it, so after it. So thank you very much everybody. This is how you can send email to your lists in Salesforce. Thank you, have a great day, and see you guys. Goodbye.